Sprintex Engineering Services team disconnecting a 3,150 kilowatts slip ring motor from the line of operation. Loading the motor in the truck in progress. Motor on receipt. Offloading in progress. Motor offloaded safely. View of coupling on the driving and shaft. View of the terminal. Dismantling in progress. Rear view of the slip ring. Excessive dust contaminant seen on the driving end. View of carbon brush holders and carbon brushes. View of slip ring before it's removed from the shaft. View of the non-driving end after slip ring is removed. Side view of the slip ring. View of the carbon brush holders and carbon brushes after they are removed from the slip ring. Close-up view of the driving end. Close-up view of bearing journal after bearing is removed. View of the non-connection end before the rotor is removed from the stator. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end showing dust contaminant. Excessive grease contaminant seen on the bearing. Roller bearing found cracked. Rotor removal from the stator in progress. The main rotor. View of the main stator after rotor is removed. Rubbing marks seen inside the stator. Rubbing marks seen on the rotor. Application of anti-tracking paint done on the slip ring. Rotor cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. View of the non-connection end after rotor is inserted in the stator. Assembly in progress. View of the connection end. View of the bearing cone. Application of grease done. Motor tested and painted, ready for collection. The motor is then carefully and safely loaded on the truck. Motor is safely loaded, ready for dispatch. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.